You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this disease or medical condition. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more French vocabulary in particular, including from medicine, stay tuned, I've got many more. So, it was named after a French physician called Maurice Raynaud. Raynaud with a silent D at the end of his name. It's important, it's French. So, Raynaud is how you'd say his last name. Therefore, not Raynaud's or Raynaud's disease, but rather Raynaud's disease. Raynaud's, yes, the disease of Raynaud. Raynaud's disease. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.